Yeah, sir, what are we going to expect today?
Yeah, so I'm going to give you a quick little safety briefing.
Okay.
And then we're going to go out for about 15-20 minutes. It takes us. We're going to go see kind of 3 glaciers. We're going to head up around Mount Begbie and then kind of as far as the Blanket Glacier.
Okay.
And then we'll go back, okay?
All right. So we are now at the Revelstoke airport and we're gonna ride this guy here. And there we go, we're ready.
Yeah, so I'll just show you everything you need to know around the helicopter. So it'll be shut down when we take off, and when we come back I'll shut it right down, stop the blades, and then everybody can get out, okay?
Okay.
And I'll help with the doors and seatbelts, but just so you guys know how everything works. Doors on the aircraft just down on the handle, they open like so. If you're on the inside and you needed to get out for some reason, you just rotate that handle forward.
All right.
The door will come up, open. On the inside it's kind of a big lever. Move the lever, push the corner out that's by your shoulder, and then the door slides down.
Okay.
I fly from the right side, so you guys can just get in and out on the left.
Okay. Alright.
Seatbelts. Whoever's up front here, it's a little more complicated. Just pull up on the big strap to release.
Okay.
To put this on, these little tabs have to face in towards yourself.
Okay.
And this has to be on the angle position. And then you just clip them in, one over each shoulder, and then lock it, okay?
Alright.
In the back here, more like an airline style, just rotate over 90 degrees, and once it's in, it's locked, okay? As far as, there's a first aid kit and survival kit in the nose of the aircraft. There's a fire extinguisher as well as safety briefing cards on the back of my seat, okay? If it's an emergency and it makes more sense to go out my side, you can use that door as well. It works the exact same way, okay?
Okay.
The little windows, we'll probably have these closed for the most part. If the window is open, just nothing ever outside the aircraft. Cell phone, GoPro, there's quite a bit of wind and suction, and if it ever, the camera through the blades is very bad. So
okay, yeah.
feel free to do whatever you want, videos, camera, just nothing ever outside.
Yeah, right.
And nothing up between the front seats, that's where the throttle is. So if you ever dropped anything in there, just get my attention.
Okay.
Don't reach for anything down in between those two points.
Okay.
What else can I talk about? Yeah, if we did have to get out with the blades turning, you never go around the back. The tail rotor is quite dangerous when the machine's running. And you never go uphill away from the aircraft.
Okay.
When you're close, even if the blades are spinning, it's quite safe, but it's when you're out at the edge of the blades. Okay.
Okay.
But like I said, we'll come back here, I'll shut right down, and we can get out.
Okay.
What else? You guys have any questions, or? It's a nice day, so
yeah, so we're just gonna enjoy it.
Yeah, just enjoy it.
Yeah.
So, it's not too loud inside. You can talk amongst yourselves for the most part.
Okay.
Yeah, and the only thing with COVID is we just have a mask on when we're in the aircraft. That's really the only thing. So we sanitize the aircraft between different passengers.
Okay.
Excellent. All right.
All right.
We just have to figure out who gets to sit up front, I guess.
Okay.
So. good day for it. So,
Yeah, it's really nice out there.
yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's your seat. Sorry, that's your...
It's all different, yeah. There you go, perfect. You're not the first one to make that mistake.